Hi, my slime saga continues, as I found a vending machine filled with these DC Comics Super Friends slime canisters. Well, they cost €1 each, which is quite a lot if you think that with €1 I can buy this amount of slime at a Tiger store. By the way, I decided to give them a try. And also, I wonder, what does Superman do with slime? If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. But now, let's open it up. And here we have our plastic ball. Well, we can see already that it's Superman's slime. Is it on focus? All right. Let's open the ball. Come on. All right. Here's a little flyer. Oh, they make a few different characters. We have Mr. Freeze, the Penguin, the Joker, Batman, Hawkman, Lex Luthor, Superman. It is not on focus. Alright. Aquaman, Two-Face, Green Lantern, the Riddler, and also the Flash. È appiccicoso, viscido, molle, which means it's sticky, and slimy, and floppy. Oh, it's gooey, goosey, clammy. Alright. Slime in 6 different colors. Well, I want to take a look at my new slime canister. Oh, it's well sealed, I can see. I would say that Superman's slime is red. Ooh, it's not slimy, it's quite hard. It will not flow out of the canister. Lop. Ooh, lop. It's not bad, it's not sticky, and it does not leave stains or debris on my table. So, as far as consistency goes, this slime is not bad at all, but it does not run. It's not liquid. By the way, today's guinea pig is Gecko, from the World of Beasts, produced by Remco in 1982. And our red slime can flow out of his mouth. Gecko. Gecko eats slime. Well, it does not flow, it does not run. But it's not bad. Now, what does Superman do with these? I don't know. Please let me know in the comments below. And this is all. DC Comics Super Friends Slime. Ciao!